Hello everyone. I'm here from my English lessons channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your brain to think in English. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to turn on the subtitles here, so you can see the text as I'm speaking. Okay, so first of all, we need to know that our brain works like a muscle. If you want to build your muscle, you need to exercise every day. If you don't use it, you lose it. Same thing with your brain. You need to practice every day. The second thing you need to know is that there are two types of thinking. One is called active thinking and the other one is passive thinking. When you're actively thinking, it means you're doing something and at the same time, you're thinking. For example, when you're building Lego and at the same time you're thinking what to build, then you're actively thinking. The other type is the passive thinking. It's when you're redoing something and you don't have to think about what you're redoing. For example, when you brush your teeth, you don't need to think what to do next because your brain already knows what to do. What do you need to do? You need to turn on the subtitles here and listen to me. That's the first step. The second step is the active thinking. So now you need to start to think in English while you're doing something new. For example, when you're building Lego, try to think in English. What do you need to do? You need to describe each step you do. So for example, I'm building a house, I'm building a wall, I'm building a roof. Okay, so you need to describe each step you do in English. When you practice this way, you will see how your brain starts to think in English. And don't forget to turn on the subtitles here so you can read what I'm saying. Now, let's have a conversation in English. As I said before, when you're doing something, you don't need to think what to do next because your brain already knows what to do. So let's pretend that we are best friends and we meet every day in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I'm great, thank you. And how are you? I'm fantastic. Really? Yeah. What did you do yesterday? I went to the mall. Oh, what did you buy? I bought a new dress. Wow. Can I see it? Sure. Here it is. It looks nice. Thanks. Do you have anything new? No, nothing much. Just this t-shirt. Did you like it? Yeah, sure. So I think that was enough for today. So if you want to continue learning English with me, click on the subscribe button right now. And also don't forget to turn on the notifications so you won't miss any new videos.